Welcome to our tutorial on using JSON with Java. In this video we'll cover what is JSON, why we use it and how to work with it in Java. First, let's start with the basics. What is JSON? JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write and easy for machines to parse and generate. JSON is a text format that is completely language independent but uses conventions that are familiar to programmers of the C family of languages, including C, Java, JavaScript. Now that we know what JSON is, let's learn how to use it in Java. To use JSON in Java, we need to use the JSON simple library. To create a JSON object in Java, we need to create an instance of the JSON object class. Next, we need to add key-value pairs to the JSON object. We can do this using the put method. We can also create a JSON array in Java using the JSON array class. We can add values to the JSON array using the add method. And that's it. With the JSON simple library, it's easy to work with JSON in Java. Thanks for watching and happy coding.